Most people miss the biggest opportunities in life not because they don't exist, but because they don't know what to look for. In this video, we are diving into 15 of the most powerful opportunities you will come across, especially if you're in finance, business, or marketing, and how to actually take advantage of them when they show up. First, the opportunity to learn about money early. If you can understand compound interest, debt credit, and investing in your teens or early 20s, you are ahead of 90% of the world. Personal finance is taught in school, but learning how to money work is one of the biggest competitive advantages you can build. Second, building your personal brand. In today's economy, attention is currency. Whether you are in business or marketing, building a business or marketing, building a brand on platform like LinkedIn, YouTube, or X can unlock high-paying clients, job offers, and collaborations that cold outreach never leave. Third, starting an online business. The startup costs are low, the scalability is high, and you can reach a global audience from your laptop. Whether it's e-commerce, coaching, or digital product, like barrier to entry has never been lower, but the opportunity is still massive. Next is networking with high-value people. One introduction can change your life. Attend events, build real relationships, and provide value before you ask for anything. Your network can expose you to deal, funding, and growth you can't assess alone. Fifth, learning how to sell. Sales is the lifeblood of business. Whether you're pitching a product, raising a capital, or negotiating a raise, your ability to influence outcomes determine your income. Mastering sales is mastering leverage. Then there's content marketing. It's not just a trend, it's a long-term asset. Blogs, YouTube videos, newsletters, all of them compound over time and bring lead while you sleep. In a world of full noise, those who communicate clearly win. The seventh opportunity, investing early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This includes stock, ETFs, or real estate, or even angel investing. Once you're in the position, the market rewards patience and consistency. Number 8 is freelancing in your 20s. It forces you to learn high income skills, deal with clients, price your time, and build autonomy. Even if you move into company rule later, you will be 10 steps ahead. Business acumen. 9. Mentorship. Find people who have already done what you want to do. Learn from their mistakes. Skip the trial and error. A 10-minute conversation with the right mentor can save you 10 months of wasted effort. Next up is mastering AI and automation tools, whether it's automating emails, generating content, or streamlining analytics. Those who know how to leverage AI will dominate in both marketing and business. Number 11 is building an audience. Unlike ads, audience don't go away when the budget runs out. Email list, followers, subscribers, their digital real estate, and the ROI over time is enormous. So these were 11 rules. You are capable of more than you think. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment which opportunity you are going to act on this year.